Hello everyone, I'm Saranya. Today I'm going to introduce Linux. This video will cover Linux introduction, what is it, what is important, and compare Linux with Windows and macOS, and also give example of Linux distribution. Let's get started. First, I would like to talk about is what is Linux. Linux is an open source operating system created in 1991 by Linux Torvalds. It is freely available to use, modify, and share. Linux operating system is the kernel, which is the core part of operating system that manage hardware and software. And the operating system is the software that allows user to interact with the computer. Okay, next is why is Linux important? Linux power most of the internet, cloud service, supercomputers, and the billions of devices worldwide because it is secure, stable, free, and open source and fast efficient and is highly customizable. Next one is the Linux power the modern world. For cloud to your pocket, Linux is invisible backbone of today in digital infrastructures. This is in server. The most popular server OS is for the stable, secure, and efficient for the cloud computing like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure, all run major service on Linux. In the cybersecurity is a tool like Kali Linux are built for penetration, testing, and security research. For the AI development, framework like TensorFlow and PyTorch run optimally on Linux servers. For the embedded system, the router, smart TV, drone, and robots commonly run Linux. Okay, next one, let's compare the Linux and Windows and macOS. For the Windows, it's developed by Microsoft. Easy to use, compatible, and the most commercial um, software and games. Most common on personal program computer. For the Mac OS is developed by Apple, run only on Mac computers, known for smooth performance and Apple device integration. The last one is the Linux. It is open source and free, highly customizable, popular with developer and sysadmins, used in server, cybersecurity, and embedded systems. Okay, let's compare they are like in the features. For the cost, Linux is the only one is free, and it is also the only one is open source code. And the next one is the highest customizable, and it's also the high security with the macOS. And the final is the most devices hardware support. For the next one is I would like to talk about what is the Linux distribution. For the Linux distribution or the distro, it is the complete operating system built using the Linux kernels with the additional software. The different distros are designed for different purpose and audience. For more information, the Linux kernel is the shared foundation. Distro built on top of it with different tools, interface, and goals. In this video, I will describe two, three Linux distribution. The first one is the Ubuntu. Next one is the Debian, and the last one is the Fedora. Okay, the first one, let's closer look at the Ubuntu. The Ubuntu is the beginner friendly. It's supported by the Canonical. The Ubuntu is the most popular Linux distro for the desktop and the server use. Its approachable interface and large community make it suitable for new Linux users. Okay, the next one, let's see the Debian and Fedora. For the Debian is really stable and community driven. Debian is the foundation that Ubuntu is built upon. Trusts for production environment where reliable is critical. For the Fedora is modern and up to date. Fedora includes the latest software features sponsored by the Red Hat, or well known as the Red Hat Enterprise Linux, widely used in banks, governments, and the large enterprise. Okay, which distro should you choose? For the Ubuntu is the best for the beginners. It's easy to set up, large community, great for desktop and server use. For the Debian is best for stability, luxury reliability, ideal for product servers and experienced users. For the Fedora is the best for learning, always up to date with the latest technologies and software features. To start your Linux journey, Linux is free, powerful, and everywhere. Whether you are a beginner, developer, security professional, there is a distro built for you. The first one, let's learn the kernels, understand the core of every modern OS. Second one is the pick your distro. You can choose like Ubuntu, Debian, or the Fedora. And the last one is the build real skill. Linux Enterprise open door to Crown, AI, and cybersecurity. Lastly, yes, the Linux is powerful, flexible operating system that is used in server, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, and embedded devices. By learning Linux and trying distribution like Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora, we can gain practical skills that are widely used in the technology industry. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.